In this video, I'm going to show you how we can send data from MIT App Inventor app to the Google Sheet like this. Okay, so how we can do this? So it's really very simple. Let's open the MIT App Inventor and click on new project, and my project name is send data app, and okay. Here I'm going to use here the Google Form REST API. So how we will do that? So you don't need to worry, you don't need to create any Google app script. We will do it very simple. Okay, so here we go. So in the left side you will find the layout option. So I'm gonna just use the one layout, vertical arrangement, and make this width and height is fill parent like this. And I'm gonna use here two text box. Okay, so you click on user interface and see the text box. Just drag and drop two text box like this. Okay, and drag and drop one button to submit the data like this. Click on vertical arrangement and make this in a center, horizontal and the vertical like this. Simple. Click on the button and just change that button name to the send data like this. You can just just assign that button font text or like text color or background color, anything you want. I'm gonna just change the background color of the vertical arrangement to the yellow like this. Oh, it will be orange like this. And this is the send data. I'm gonna just change this to the pink like this. Done. Now in the left side you will find the web view. Just drag and drop this and make this visual false like this. Done. I'm gonna use here one notifier, so and just drag and drop this. Done. Now here we need to create the Google form first. So open the docs.google.com/forms and click on the blank form here. Now I'm gonna add here only two fields in this forms. I'm gonna just change the name of that form to the data. Okay, and I'm gonna just add the question is like your name like this. Okay, and here click on that option, or you can just select the multiple choice, so you just need to set to the short answer like this. Okay, and click on the plus icon here and just add another question, your age like this, and this is also the short answer like this. Good. So I'm going to just put only two values. Done. Now what we need to do here, we need to just click on the three dot like this, and as you can see here, get pre-filled link. Click on this and wait some second. As you can see here, we need to fill the data. So suppose my name is Saurabh and age is 25, and click on get link. And now as you can see in the bottom, copy the link. Now I'm gonna paste that link in any VS Code like this, and here you can see the data link. This is the REST API link. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the value. We just need to keep it as it is, but we need to change that value from the view. As you can see, let me just make it bigger, and let me just do it like zoom. And as you can see, the value should be same, but we need to replace the view form. Okay, this is the only view form. We just need to replace from view form to the form response question mark, then ampersand submit equal S capital and submit. That we need to copy whole, and we need to replace it. Just remove the view form like this and paste it here. Simple as that, like this. Okay, now this is our new link. I'm gonna just let's test this link, how this will work. Okay, just copy that link in the anywhere and just paste it, and we need to change the value. As you can see here, this entry, okay, this entry is the first. So this is the Saurabh. As you can see, I'm gonna change that name to suppose Krishna. Okay, and the another value, as you can see here, the age. So I'm gonna just change that age to the 5,000. Okay, and let's put the enter, and as you can see, your response has been recorded. Let's go to the data sheet here, oh sorry, that sheet, and click on the responses. And as you can see, the Krishna response here, and the age is 5,000. See that we have just received. Okay, you can add this to the link also. Click on the link to the sheet. So I'm going to just add this data. Okay, and just create. So that will create the sheet. So you will get the all data in this sheet. As you can see, Krishna and 5,000 like this. Okay, now we need to just add that link in our MIT App Inventor app. So go to the MIT App Inventor like this. Now go to the block. Whenever someone click on the button, okay, like this, we need to call the web URL. Click on the web view, and as you can see here, the go to URL like this. So call this here. Okay, now what we need to do here, we need to set the URL. So if I will add that whole URL like this, and I'm gonna just add the text field like this. Okay, and just paste it like this. Whenever someone click on the button, so that data will automatically save in the form. But as you can see here, we need to use that Saurabh and the 25. That should be dynamic. So user can put from that two text box that we have added here, like this one and this one. So for that, go to the block and we need to use the join. Click on the text and use the join. So I'm going to use the join in the URL, and we need to cut the URL, and from where I need to put the URL same till the equal sign. As you can see before the Saurabh, as you can see this is the URL, that's the value we need to put. So before the Saurabh, that value we need to copy the URL like this and like this, till copy this, go here, and I'm gonna just use the text, copy paste like here, drag and drop and just paste it, then equal. Now we need to add the name, so click on the text box 1, and as you can see here, the text box 1 dot text, it means that name. Let's use the join again, value is string and one more string like this. Now another value what we need to do here, as you can see here, this is the Saurabh like this, but here the %, and then the entry dot that value. So we need to copy %, and then till equal, just copy this, go here, we need to add another text like this, go here and paste it like this. Okay, then we need to just copy paste that, and we need to change it to the text box 2. Okay, and as you can see, that's the value that we need to enter, right? And as you can see here, this whole URL is completed right now. Okay, now we need to call it once the people fill the information. Let's go to the design, and as you can see, this is the text box 1. This text hint is like, let's put the name, and here in the second I'm gonna put the age. Okay, like this. So go to the block, like whenever this run, though, I'm not gonna call this notifier, and let's see, the message box is like this, and that is will display, and the message will display like data is data saved or something. Okay, data info like this, and data submitted, button text is okay, like this. Okay, now one more thing we need to do here, after the filling the data, we need to clear the that both value Harry and 20 also. So text box 1 dot text, and that should be set that value like here, and that should be null. Okay, after submitting the data. So I'm gonna put the remove okay, and just copy paste this and add here text box 2 dot text should be null, like this. That's it. Now let's refresh this like this. Let's go here, let's put the again value is suppose Zari, and the age is 13, and click on the, once I click on the send data, that should display the notifier, and that should clear the that data also, and that should be send the data also, send data. See the data info, data submitted, and I click on OK. See, we can fill the again information, but let's see the Google Sheet here and see the Zari and 13. That's fantastic. So if you have any doubt on this, so just comment on the video. I'll try to respond all the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.